Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome and thank you for clicking on Eternay MUA. Cause we about to get, I don't know what we're about to get, but anyways, y'all are balancing on Aunt Jackie's curl cream and a Kendra Scott box because your girl lost her tripod. So that's how I started 2019. But I kind of want to do a look with the James Charles palette. This palette is so freaking pretty. It's so freaking pretty. And a big shout out to my coworker for getting it for me. I love it so much. I've kind of like used a few shades, but I did this one look in 2018 and I never posted it because I think the editing just sucked. So I deleted the video, whatever. But I want to try to recreate the look, and I feel like this is the perfect way to recreate the look. And then also I have the NYX one, so yeah, I just want to see if I can recreate it. So this is going to jump into a voiceover probably because I need music when I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, stay tuned and see if we can get this look on the road, okay? So I was recording and I didn't like how the look turned out, so I went ahead and took off my makeup and redid it. So that's why I look like a raccoon pretty much, and I'm just kind of like looking at how bad it looks. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial like right now. And I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm gonna put some underneath my eyes also, just so, because I took off all the concealer and stuff. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with the Eco Tools green sponge. So after I'm done priming my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and go into Flashback, and then shortly after I'm going to go into Canvas also, and I'm just going to mix those two, and that's going to be like the setting for my eyelid. Thinking to myself, this look will turn out 10 times better if I just come back with one eye on and then start the other eye. So that's exactly what I did. So I'm going to go ahead and go over all the steps I did for that eye. And that purple I know is really harsh, so that's why I started blending it out, because like, sis, no baby girl, what is you doing? So I went ahead and blended that out ASAP Rocky. So now I'm going to go in with 518, and I'm just going to go ahead and sweep that all over my eye. The second shade I'm going to pick up with the same brush is going to be Skip on the right hand of the palette, which is a super, super bright pink. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that underneath 518. For the third shade, I mix Love That and Escape together, which is two purples. And first I start packing it on, and then I end up blending it in. So I don't know what the purpose of that was for, but yeah, that's kind of how I just went along with the look. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the NYX palette, and I'm going to put that blue shade, and then I'm going to mix it with Brother and Cola and Playground in the James Charles palette also. And that's how I just started stamping it onto my eyelid where the purple was. And basically that's all I do for the blue part, but I'm going to end up covering it up with the other baby blue, which is from NYX. Since I don't have acrylics anymore, I just went ahead and used my finger, and I just started placing it where on top of the other blues that I mixed, and I just really liked how that made the look pop. For my lower lash line, I went ahead and mixed Bee and Social Blade from the James Charles palette on a little elf brush. And I'm just like sweeping, I mixed both of them and I'm just sweeping them right underneath my lash line. Your girl is back, and I wish I could like hold my phone right here perfectly, but yeah, so your girl is done with her tutorial, and this is how the eyes came out. Girl got some big lashes on, like these are really big. They're the 3D ones by Kiss. I think it's Kiss that I got them from. And I just want to say thank you so much, Amanda. I love this palette. Honestly, it's honestly super good, so if you don't have it, I do recommend you get it, and you could follow my tutorial on this look. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And if you are new to my channel, well, hi, how are you doing? And I hope you subscribe to my channel for more colorful looks and just vlogs, everything in general. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.